Welcome to Event Charts for another SPY intraday price action recap. Today's SPY printed a follow through bullish candle after this morning star pattern we discussed on our yesterday's analysis, taking support from the lower time frame support levels on 15 minutes and hourly time frame, as we discussed on yesterday's price action analysis, and closed right around this 61.8 pip retracement between this all-time high and this swing low, either closing above the 78.6% retracement resistance at 745.70 level or opening gap above this level will lead to test this all-time high. Any rejection between this 745.72 and 742.71 may lead to push the price down to test 20 EMA and daily time frame or this fair value gap or this support area. So let's see how the price action for tomorrow. Moving on to hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame, we discussed about this rounding bottom on our yesterday's price action video, and we also mentioned that any pullback to test this fair value gap or this neckline support would help form a higher low, and it played out the same way today. I will add the clip of that yesterday's analysis here just to rewind what we discussed yesterday. Looks like a rounding bottom pattern, so any pullback to test 20 EMA or this fair value gap on hourly time frame are at this support level at 737.5 may have to form a higher low for this trend structure to test this all-time high of 749.52. So today, after opening gap down, SPY took support exactly at this support level and this fair value gap area level, and it did not close below the 20 EMA on hourly time frame for the first 3 hours of the session today. And then it printed a huge bullish engulfing candle right at the 20 EMA to test this resistance level, which we marked on the 15 minutes time frame on the yesterday's analysis. Then price pulled back to test this fair value gap level and reacted from there. So we still have the support level of 741.35 and followed by 738.8 and 737.37 level. Resistance we have around 744.5 level, followed by 746.8. I will have this trend line drawn to see how it reacts in the upcoming sessions. For now, it is trading on this rising wedge channel. Also, it is forming a cup and handle pattern on the higher time frame, like 4 hours. Let's see how it reacts to this resistance as well as this trend line support levels. Let's move on to the 15 minutes time frame to see how this bullish engulfing candle played out on the intraday price action. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, even though it opened the gap down, it immediately reacted from this support level and printed a bullish engulfing candle right at the second 50 minutes of the candle today. And it was just consolidating between the close of this bullish engulfing candle as well as this support level for almost 3 hours of the earlier session today, forming this symmetrical triangle pattern and then It printed a bullish engulfing candle, breaking out of this pattern, which led the price move from 740.4 to the high of 744.8, around $4.4 move. And it pulled back to test this resistance breakout and printed another bullish inside bar, taking support from 20 EMA on 15 minutes time frame, and it just consolidated for the rest 45 minutes. So on the lower time frame, we can see it is on the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low structure. Unless we break below this support of 737.37, SPY is still on the bullish trend within this rising channel. Thank you so much for watching.